Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. I make new videos every week. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys my nail supplies and what I use to do my nails at home. The last time I did my nails was like November of 2019, and ever since then I went a year off from like doing my own nails. I've done my nails only at home because it saves a lot of money rather than going to the salon and getting it done. I wanted to show you what is in my nail supply box. Everything I got was from Amazon or from the local beauty supply store. First thing is self-sanitary. We just have this in our house. It's just napkins to just like collect any dust. Next thing I use is box is empty, but I just have gloves just in case like I want to do my sister's nails or any friend's nails that I don't have to like get dust all over my fingers. So gloves are very useful. I have both some Melody Susie nail drill. I have the Melody Susie LED light. This is how she looks like. This one was about like $19 from Amazon. I decided to just get the cheaper one. So I started doing acrylic, then I would upgrade to a bigger nail drill. It's nice because it's portable. It comes with some drill bits. It also comes with some sanding bits. How the nail lamp looks like. She's small, but she's mighty. I use a gel top coat, so I use regular nail polish and then a base coat and a gel top coat, and it dries the nail really quickly with my nail lamp. This is by the brand Candy Lover. That's how it looks like. I have a bunch of nail files. So this is 100 to 180 nail grit. Can use this on the natural nail. It's a nail drill for the natural nail, and then just file the acrylic. I have some acetone when I want to soak off my nail. 75% hot water and acetone mixed together. Acetone, you soak off your nail. These are the nails I use. These are press-on nails. The full tip by the brand BT Oxbox. With press-on nails, they don't last as long as acrylic, but you get what you pay for. I will eventually start learning acrylic, so I will show you how I do that in the near future. Next thing I have in here is just some nail glue. I just get it from my local dollar store. We have some nail polish remover. I don't have a lot of colors. The colors I have is Bright by Kiss, a glitter nail polish from the dollar store. I use cuticle oil. This purple glitter nail polish. These are cuticle pushers, a nipper, so this removes the tips from the nail. This I just use to remove the dust off the nail. And that's all I have in my nail box. Let's go into the video to show you how I do my nails. So for prepping a nail, you need a nail clipper, cuticle pusher, and a cuticle nipper. To file the natural nail, you can use a 180 nail clipper, but I choose to go with my Melody Susie nail drill. I'm removing the sanding bit and replacing it with an ovalish drill bit. Now you're going to find a nail that fits to your finger and just drill it to make it easier to glue on. Now using a nipper, you're just going to cut your nail to the appropriate length.